What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't made anything in a while. Been a little bit busy. But yeah, I also got a new camera, so I'm trying to figure all that out too. Got rid of the GoPro. I have a Yi light here. Focus. And then I'm also using another type of camera with the mic on it. So yeah, what we're going to be doing today is change the oil. I'm going to change the oil off of the Civic, and I got to do the Accord again. And after that, I also got some stuff to do, like add some quick release to my bumper, and I'm also going to be raising the hood with some hood risers from God Snow. I'm pretty sure both of these are from God Snow. Done. Alright guys, so I just got done with the Accord. Quick actually, it took me like 20 minutes, so I'm letting the car run now for like 20 minutes just so you can get the oil going. Now I gotta do the Civic. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit because it was hot, because I just got done driving it before I started this. So maybe like an extra 10 more minutes, and then I'll go ahead and get started on it. I might just do the hood risers right now too. Alright guys, so this is how it looks like. I'll make you see that. It says God Snow on there. Some bolts. Technically all you gotta do is take off the hood hinges, put this on the hood hinges, bolt onto the hood. That's it. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks like real quick. So that's how it looks like without the risers. And obviously the hood isn't closed all the way yet, but you'll get the idea. And that's how it looks. So there you go. So it's risen up. It's like about almost a whole inch. And you can see the God Snow right there. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but yeah. So compare that side. The hood is fully closed now to that side. Alright, so I didn't show you guys, but so what you have to do is you just unbolt this and this. There's our 10s, and have somebody hold the hood, but not myself, so I'm doing it myself. I just use my head, put my head up here, you know, like a dumbass, and then remove those bolts, slide this in the middle like that, and then just level it out and put the other bolts back in. And the bolts that came with it was also 10 millimeters too. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah. I gotta go pick her up when I'm done with the laundry. Alright guys, so I'm done with the oil change on the Civic, and like always I had a problem with the filters. Took a flathead and banged on through it, pulled it around. It'd be nice if I just get the tool, but that never works. But it looks like that's gonna be it. I won't be able to put on the bumper release because I don't got time right now. I gotta finish laundry, then I gotta go pick up my kids. My daughters are kind of bored right now. I'm gonna let the car run for a little bit, and then I'm out. I mean, the good thing is that we got the Accord oil change done, the Civic oil change done, and we got the hood risers in. That's the most important part. Can always save the bumper release for another video. But yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys haven't, go ahead and subscribe. I've been stuck at like 73 for a while. I haven't been putting content out. I'm sorry. I'll start to do it more. But alright guys, peace. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.